Every day we wake up and there's something new. Each sunrise brings a day of things to learn to do. Sometimes it's hard to learn on our own. It's no fun trying new things when we're all alone. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
Baba Ali, it's time to get ready to go to the masjid for Jummah prayer. Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ali.
Walaikum salam.
Are you going to the masjid right now? But your clothes looks very dirty.
Oh no, he can't go like that. Yeah, your shirt is full of stains and mud. It doesn't smell good either.
You have to wear clean clothes at the masjid, you know.
Look, he's trying to clean his shirt, but it's too dirty.
You can't hide the dirt, Baba Ali.
Turn around!
There's more dirt on the back.
Your shirt is definitely dirty.
Baba Ali, you should change the shirt to a clean one.
Please, Baba Ali. He should wash up too. Oh, look, he's all clean.
Good job, Baba Ali.
MashaAllah.
Very dirty.
Clean, dirty, clean, dirty.
Wait, Baba Ali. Can't go yet.
Oh, look at his pants. Yeah, look, your pants are dirty too. You need to change your pants into a clean one too. Yeah, look at them. They're very dirty too.
Don't be silly, Baba Ali. Your pants are very dirty. Why don't you get a clean pair? Yes, you have to be clean when you go to the masjid. Why don't you get a clean pair? Good job, mashallah. Now you're very clean.
Yay, he's all clean. Are you ready for Jummah now?
Hooray for Baba Ali!
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
See you later, Baba Ali.
If Baba Ali can do it, so can you. Why be afraid of trying something new? We need someone we trust standing near, someone we know to give a rousing cheer. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.